Today I'm bringing my bicycle here. Like I told you, I'm an outdoor person. So I'm just gonna park here and then I'm gonna take my bike. Let's see if I don't get a ticket. Today I'm taking my bike to have it, as I told you, I like outdoor. This is where I learned how to cycle how many years ago? I learned how to cycle when I was 50. That's my bicycle there. I'm trying to get it out of the car now because the tires have gone. So, oh God help me. So like I told you, I'm gonna start showing up. Can you see the back tires? The back tires are gone. Oops. Yeah. So now I'm taking it to them to help me. So you're coming with me to have this fitted. The back tires are gone. Can you see the back tires? So now I thought if I fix the bike, then I can cycle in the evenings because I used to enjoy cycling. So the bike looks quite old now. So if I can fix the back tires, it doesn't look like they're open. They are. So this was where I learned how to cycle at the age of 50. They taught me right there where all those cars are parked. That's where I learned how to cycle, and there's like a cycling track there, and they help you repair your bike, or they help you, what's it called? When I was a child, I couldn't cycle. My brother had a chopper bike, and I couldn't balance. So I only learned how to cycle when I turned 50. So many journeys I'll share with you. So it's always good not to give up on your dream. See, there are other people, and they have a lot of events here. I hope they are open and they can help me. It's called the Red Bridge Cycling Center. Yeah. Hello. Are you? I'm come to fit the tire.
You want to ask to fix the puncture for you?
Yeah.
Okay, just go to the reception. My colleague will help.
Thank you. I've been here before. Thank you. Hello. I've got a bad tire at the back, and I'm trying to see. I don't know if it needs a service. The chain. I need to start cycling. My heart is feeling funny. So I fitted the tire before and it's gone again. I don't know why.
Sometimes if it's not been used for a while, it goes down. So if you tried pumping it up.
You know what? I think my son pumped it and then it went again.
Okay, so could be that there's something in there. Unless, because usually
It's
when we
new. This is a new
might
tire.
your chain looks quite rusty as well. I'll get my colleague to have a look.
Thank you. So guys, this is where I learned how to cycle. See, that's what it's called there. Red Bridge Recycling Center. You get a nice coffee and tea, cake. Hopefully they can help me sort this out. And then I can start cycling again. Yeah. And now you can see that part of me. And they do a lot of events in here. They do lots of events. Hello. Yeah.
The cassette's not too bad, but the chain.
Yeah, it's a new tyre, but it keeps going down.
But you know, I'm looking at the chains at the minute, because the chain is very, very rusty.
New one of those, but I'm sure we can work out what's going on with the tyre.
Oh, you mean I need a new chain? Is it because I leave it outdoors?
Yes.
Yeah.
I need
In
to
the
put it
rain.
inside the shed.
Yeah.
Rather than in the rain.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah.
But yeah, new chain and in a tube and work out what's going on there.
And help me see this one, maybe it needs pumping, I don't know.
What was
the
the name,
front.
please?
No worries, I'll put some air in that one as well for you.
How much do I be looking at?
Go
You'll
to the
be
room down the end. If you go all the way down to the
tenner
end,
for
and I'll
the
be with you
tube.
soon. All
The
right,
chain's going to be about
That's
50.
fine. If you go that
you're
way,
about
I'll be with you
25.
soon.
Okay,
That's fine.
Be ready.
I'm just doing a puncture at the moment and then I'll do that one.
Oh, you want me to wait? Will it be how long?
Oh, otherwise, yeah,
No,
I'll
you can leave
get
it.
it at some point
You can leave it,
today.
and we'll just ring you when it's ready.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm going down to the library so I can pop back if
Oh
you
yeah,
want me.
Yeah, I'll be done this
Just do that
afternoon.
then.
All right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we'll be
just
done
do
this
that.
afternoon.
That's fine.
No, you're
Thank you
fine.
so much.
It's alright, no worries.
So pack it indoors now. Don't leave it outside.
Yeah, it just helps to
Yeah.
maintain it and then you don't have to replace it, so
All right. Thank
it's a
you
bit
so
cheaper.
much. Thank you.
No
Do
worries.
I pay now or
Pay later.
when I come back? When do you close today?
5.
Fine. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
No
What, do I need a number in case to call so I
Take
don't?
your contact numbers and
Uh-huh.
I'll give you a leaflet as well. But I'll take
Thank
yours.
you.
On the back there is ours, but just hang on and I'll take your
Right.
contact
Thank you
number.
so much.
No
Thank
worries.
you.
Cheers.
You see how kind? How kind they are. So if you have a bike issue, bring your bike here. You see how they give good customer service. And this is where I learned how to cycle out there
Oh, that's good.
when I turned 50.
Oh, good for you. What was your name, please?
Sabina, please. Yeah.
And contact number, please, Sabina.
Contact is 078. 078 again.
Yep.
192 565.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
That's okay. My name's Sylvie.
Sylvie. Thank you so much, Sylvie. Yeah, bye. Have a great day. That's my cycling journey, as you can see. This is where people come to learn how to cycle. And yeah, I'm sharing my cycling experience with you and how I learned how to cycle just over there where you've got all the, that's where they taught me. And I learned it within 2 weeks, believe it or not, even though I had been trying how to cycle since I was a child. And you can see the other kids there being taught how to cycle. Can you see them there? They're teaching them. So that's like they're being taught how to cycle. Yeah, and that's the track over there. You see cyclists on the track. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. So close this one. And hopefully you'll see me cycling one day on my bike. And yeah, that's another part of my journey I thought I should share with you. So yeah, have a great day. And yeah, that's how I learned how to cycle here.